Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock this RAM key. I believe it's from a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500, and we're gonna attempt to unlock this key fob. So as you can see, this is a used one, and we're gonna read the chip now, and we're gonna get the lock message on this thing, because once you use these keys for the car, it locks to the car and cannot be programmed to any other truck. So as you can see, it says locked, so we have to unlock this key. And I already have my diagram right here for this particular key. As you can see, it's the SCL. So it tells you the ground power should be here, and these are gonna be the data lines for this. As you can see, it matches the same, is the same board as the picture. There you go. As you can see, we have the 2 points right there. As you can see, those 2 points. So we're gonna use the tools that I have here. I have my tool. We're gonna use these little bad boys, and I'm going to solder each individual cable to each position, and then we're going to go to the tool and we're gonna select remote renew. So we're gonna select that part number, the M3. So we go to Dodge and we're gonna select this one, IYC M3NX. There we go. So let me solder this first, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna unlock this. All right. Okay, guys. So we have the control here, and as you can see, it's already the cables. So just to show you right now, it's gonna say locked. Right, it's locked. So right now I'm going to put this adapter right here. All right, and now we go and select for renewing remote. All right, we select Jeep, and we select this one. This is the one we want. So let's go to the diagram. As you can see, it applies for all those cars, Magnums, all those models. So make sure you have all the pins in the right position. Ground, power, and the yellow and brown, and now we're gonna hit enter, and then we're gonna select right. Alright, so now we press right. It's writing the data right now. Okay, so if it fails, just put right again, and success. There we go. So we go back, we remove this, and we go back to the beginning. We're gonna select transponder, and we put our key back. Now we select enter. There we go, it's unlocked. Alright, so now we're gonna check the frequency of the key. And as you can see, boom, it works. It's working. So we have a working key. Alright guys, so this will be the end of the video. I hope you like this information, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.